this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making spiced hot cocoa. This is a perfect recipe for the fall season and the spices in this really complement the taste of the hot chocolate. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, we will need 3/4 cup of milk, 25 grams of milk chocolate. You can use chopped chocolate or chocolate chips, 15 grams of dark chocolate, half a tablespoon of granulated sugar, 3/4 tablespoon of sifted cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and a pinch of cardamom powder. First, you will take a small bowl and add in the milk chocolate and the dark chocolate. You will melt these in 12-second intervals. Make sure to mix the chocolate in between each interval. This is how the melted chocolate should look. You will take a small pot on medium heat and you will pour in the milk. You will let the milk get heated for around 1 to 2 minutes. Once the milk is heated, you will add in the sugar, the cocoa powder, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and the cardamom powder. You will whisk these together. You will let this mixture cook for around 1 minute. You should be able to smell the aroma of the spices and chocolate. Then you will just add in the melted chocolate. You will turn the heat off and you will mix in the chocolate. You might need to stir the hot chocolate for a few minutes for the chocolate to melt. After the hot chocolate is ready, you can pour it into a glass and you will let it cool for around 30 seconds. If you want, you can decorate your hot chocolate by adding some whipped cream, cinnamon, nutmeg, or melted chocolate. I am going to decorate mine with some whipped cream, and some cinnamon. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.